Hey guys, it's Rick at Elijah Tooling. Give me 2. I will make it worth your while. Today, I am going to show you a little trick that we have and use in the D drive. I'm thinking it's a little bit like that secret menu in and out. You got to ask. So that's what we're going to do today. We're not going to make burgers, although that sounds great. But here's our D drive, and here's the locating bolts that we use to hold the D drive and locate the D drive. Now, admittedly, we can locate from the bottom and have fasteners come up into it. But in this scenario, the question comes to mind, how do I use it without a modular fixture? How do I make use of this vise without using those 4 bolts? So that's what I'm going to show you today. That's the trick. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the zerts out. Remember, the zerts are retractable dowel pins, and they can go in many of these holes. They are used for location of your part if you need it. You may not need it, sometimes you will. So they're there if you need them. The point is, I'm taking them out, but I can use them elsewhere on the vise. And now I'm going to take and I'm going to remove the zip bushing, which is the beauty of zip bushings, is that you have this precision product, combination bushing and threaded insert, and you can take it in and out of your parts or whatever it is you're using it to locate with. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to use that hole to attach our vise to the T-slot fixture. All right, they're out, right? So you can see I've got my T-nuts down below, and very simply I'm just going to drop those in there, and we have it attached through the T-slot. Now, I have this other vise set up to show you an alternate way of doing it. If you want to use our our T-slot fasteners, you know, you drop them in the slots, slide them down in there. And so that's what's underneath this right now. I can show you, see? So what we're gonna do, in the same way, we're gonna bring them up, and a lot faster doing it this way, although I'm really doing it the slow way with a wrench. You would want to use some type of pneumatic probably. But anyway, check it out, an alternate method. Got it, right? That's the goal here, is that this vise is versatile in so many different ways, and it includes, of course, putting it on T-slots. Thank you for spending time with me, and I will see you for the next time. Bye-bye.